Hey there, my friend. It's Henry here. Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to start a big goal, but stopped after 2 days? Maybe you said, I will study 2 hours every day. And then you studied 1 day, maybe 2, and then life happened. Work happened. Family happened. Tired happened. Everything happened. And you stopped. Right? I know the feeling. It happens to all of us. Here's a fun little fact. Scientists say small habits are stronger than big goals. Strange, right? But it's true. Small steps win. Small steps grow. Small steps stay. Even 2 minutes a day can change your English. 2 minutes. That's less time than brushing your teeth. Less time than making tea. So today, we talk about something powerful. Small English steps. Big results. Tiny habits. Easy habits. Daily habits. And how these habits can make your English grow fast. Before we begin, please remember to like this episode, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Confident English Cast. It helps a lot. And I'm here to help you learn English with confidence. All right, let's begin. You ready? What we'll learn today. Today we talk about habits. Simple habits. Daily habits. Easy habits you can start today. Why? Because habits build fluency. Not luck. Not talent. Not magic. Just habits. You don't need long study hours. You don't need big books. You don't need perfect grammar. You need small steps, small actions, small daily practice. I will show you why small steps work, how to make small English habits, what to say each day, and how your English grows in days, weeks, and months. Simple, clear, practical. Okay? Let's go. Main idea. Why small steps? Work. Think about exercise. Would you run 10 kilometers on your first day? No. You would walk first, then run a little, then a little more, step by step. English is the same. Your brain loves small pieces, short pieces, tiny bits every day. Your brain remembers better. When you learn 1 new phrase a day, that's 30 in a month, 360 in a year. That's a lot. See? Small steps become big results. Here's another reason. Small steps are easy. Easy means you can continue. Continue means you improve. Simple math. Simple truth. Step by step. Daily habits. You can start today. All right. Now let's talk about the habits. real habits, easy habits, habits you can start right now. Habit 1. The one. Phrase a day habit. Learn one useful phrase each day. Just one. That's it. Why one phrase? Because one phrase is possible. Easy, quick, no stress. Examples you can choose today. Can you say that again? What do you mean? I agree with you. I'm not sure. That sounds great. Repeat the phrase 3 times. Say it in the morning. Say it at lunch. Say it at night. One phrase, 3 times, 1 minute. Done. Easy, right? Habit 2. The 2-minute talk. Habit. Talk for 2 minutes every day. Yes. Only 2. Talk to yourself. Talk to your phone. Talk to the mirror. Talk to your plant. Talk to your cat. Talk to anything. What to talk about? Simple. Your day. Your plans. Your food. Your work. Your feelings. For example, today I woke up early. I felt tired, but I made coffee. It was good. I started work. I had a busy morning. See? Very simple. 2 minutes only. But powerful. Habit 3. The English spot. Habit. Choose one moment in your day that is always in English. Just one moment. Every day. Examples. English during breakfast. English on the bus. English while brushing your teeth. English for 5 minutes before sleep. Make that moment your English spot. No exceptions. When your brain sees the English spot, it says, "Oh, it's English time," and it learns faster. Habit 4. The mini listen. Habit. Listen to 30 seconds of English. Yes, 30 seconds. Why so small? Because small is easy. Easy stays. Stays becomes progress. You can listen to a short podcast clip, a YouTube short, a voice message, a line from a movie. Even this podcast works. Replay 1 minute. Repeat it. Done. Habit 5. The right 3 words. Habit. Write 3 words each day. Only 3. Maybe tired, happy, meeting, or coffee, cold, deadline. Then write 1 simple sentence with each word. Like this. I am tired today. I feel happy now. I have a long meeting. 3 words. 3 sentences. Finished. Small progress. Milestones. Now let's imagine your progress. After 1 day, you feel proud. You feel motivated. You feel, yes, I can do this. Your brain wakes up. It says, hey, we are learning English. After 1 week, you know 7 new phrases. You can speak for 14 minutes total. You have 7 days of listening. Your confidence grows. You feel lighter. You feel stronger. People might say, your English sounds smoother. After 1 month, you know 30 new phrases. You spoke for 60 minutes total. You created a real habit. Your brain is faster. Your speaking is easier. Your listening is clearer. Your English time is natural. You are changing. Your confidence grows every day. Small steps, big results. Let me tell you a little story. Many years ago, I tried to learn the guitar. I wanted to play songs, big, beautiful songs. But I started too big, too fast, too hard, and I failed. Then someone told me, just practice 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So I did. Every day. And guess what? It worked. Now I can play many songs. Why? Because small steps win. Your English is the same. Do not wait for perfect time. Do not wait for long hours. Do not wait for big motivation. Start small. Start now. Start with 1 step. You can do this. You really can. Imagine your future self. Confident, clear, calm. Speaking English with ease. That future you is waiting. And the road is simple. 1 small step today. You've got this. I'm with you. Let's grow together. Practical, daily life applications. Let's see how these habits help in real life. At work, you can ask, can you repeat that? Or say, let me check that. Small phrases, big impact. At a shop, you can ask, do you have this in large? Or, how much is this? Simple phrases you practice daily. With friends, you can say, I agree, or I'm not sure, or that sounds fun. These come from your 1 phrase a day habit. Traveling. Your listening becomes faster. You understand airport announcements. You understand hotel reception. You feel confident. Online. You write simple messages. Short, clear, correct. Because of your write 3 words habit. Every small habit becomes a tool, a real tool, a life tool. Quick recap. 5 simple points. All right, my friend. Let's summarize. Here are the 5 big ideas of today. Learn 1 phrase a day. Easy, quick, powerful. Talk for 2 minutes daily. Speak to grow. Choose 1 English spot. Same time. Every day. Listen for 30 seconds. Tiny listens. Big change. Write 3 words and sentences. Build simple writing skills. Small steps win. Always. Thank you, my friend, for spending this time with me today. I hope you feel lighter. I hope you feel stronger. I hope you feel ready to take one small step today. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You need daily English. Small English, simple English, English you can use. And trust me, you can improve. You will improve. I see your progress already. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to Confident English Cast. It helps more learners find us, and it helps me keep making episodes for you. Come back tomorrow. Take another small step. Let's grow your English together. This is Henry, wishing you a great day, a clear mind, and confident English. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.